battery voltage before I start it. 1266. Let's give her a 14.5. Tell you a little bit about the history of this thing to me. I was working in California and a coworker bought this, and he took it apart to fix the crank seals, and that was over 6 years ago. He moved away to Kentucky and stored the bike in parts at my house in California for quite a while. And I carried them to Kentucky, and then I moved to Tennessee and bought it from him in Kentucky. So I've carried it around over 2,000 miles in boxes. So it's finally together, working out some kinks. You can see it's got a coolant leak. Of course, that's why I just put water in it to start with. I knew there might be some problems like that. That's the water pump seal, which has got to be removed and replaced. And the petcock leaked, so we don't have the fuel tank on it right now. But I'm waiting to get it warm enough to open the thermostat and circulate coolant all through and make sure I don't have any leaks in the top part, oil radiator, etc. And do a little break-in work. You can notice the oil, all the bubbles are out. I will probably move that oil dot back pretty soon, back to where it's supposed to be, because the pipes are smoking quite a bit. We're just going to do a couple of heat cycles, get this thing broken in, get those other little things fixed like the brakes, and I'm going to be on the road. So thanks for watching.